Howdy, here's a video from your friendly handyman. It's an outlet, I'm going to replace it. So, easy fix, just follow along. Take off the cover, the power has been shut off. As you can indicate with my outlet tester right here. So, there's no power. I shut off the breakers already before I started the camera. You break that off. This one was working, but when I pulled it out, I felt it was too easy to come out. So, easy repair. I like to just clean these out when I'm in here. The drywall repair or just things. So, it's the ground, take off the ground wire just like that. And then remove the ground. Then these, you just kind of, they're stabbed in, but I don't like to stab them in. So I'm gonna make a shepherd's hook right here. A shepherd's hook. I show videos that how to make a shepherd's hook too. So this would be the new outlet, and the ground wire is the copper. That'll go on the green. Then this white one will be for the white wire. Then the gold one will be the black wire. So let me make a shepherd's hook on the ground like that, and then I'll put it on the ground. And this, once you make that little hook, it goes on there. Then you want to put it clockwise, and then the same thing right here on the silver. Put the white. I tighten that screw. There's only 2 wires on this one, so that means this is where it ends. And then here goes the gold, the black wire. Put that in there, just like that, just like that. Easy outlet. Replace this. If yours is loose or your phone charger's falling out, maybe it's time to replace it. And then if you don't get the call a handyman or electrician, you can do it yourself. Don't overthink it. This is just the fundamentals of how to replace an outlet. And this is the old outlet. And then as you can see, that's the green one where the copper goes. This is where the white wires go. So if yours has 2 white, then you put one on each side. And this is the gold. It's been painted, so the gold right there. And then that's how you replace the outlet. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the breaker, and then if these 2 come on, that means it's wired correctly. So let me go hit the breaker on so you guys can see it, that it worked. As you can see, it is correct. Both wire, these are on, so it's correctly wired. Now, just put your thing back on, and that's how you replace an outlet for beginners. If you like videos like this, like and subscribe. Until next time, peace out from your friendly handyman.